In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted tasks in Wrike. Whether you've accidentally removed a task or simply need to locate something that was previously deleted, this guide will show you how to retrieve your tasks efficiently and effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to wrike.com. Once there, locate the login button in the upper right corner and log in using your email. After you've signed in, remember that if the data was shared with you before deletion, you can access and restore it from the recycle bin. This is handy as it means multiple team members have access, ensuring important tasks can be recovered by anyone who had prior permission. Now, with your Wrike account open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you'll see your profile image. Click on this profile image. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the option labeled Recycle Bin. This is where all your deleted tasks reside. If the list of deleted tasks is extensive, don't worry. At the top of the sidebar, you will find a search option. You can type the name of the task you're looking for here. This feature is particularly useful in narrowing down the list, especially if you're dealing with numerous tasks. Once you've entered your search criteria, make sure to check the In Recycle Bin option to see the relevant results. This ensures that your search query is specifically targeting tasks that were deleted, avoiding any confusion with similar active tasks. When you've found the task you want to restore, simply right-click on the task in the list. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option to restore. Select this and your task will be moved back to its original location just as it was before it was deleted. As an alternative method, you can open the task in Item View. In this view, you'll notice a Restore button. Clicking this will have the same effect as the previous method, returning your task to its rightful place. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to recover deleted tasks in Wrike. Always remember that accidental deletions can happen to anyone, but with these steps, retrieving them is simple and hassle-free. Keep this process in mind and you'll ensure that no important task is ever lost for long. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.